Good day, everyone. Today we'll be talking about DeFi, also known as decentralized finance. What are DeFi's? DeFi uses blockchain technology to remove third parties and centralized institutions like bank and central banks. Okay, they are like we have different types of DeFi protocols. Examples are DAI, which is a stable coin. That is actually a DeFi protocol, despite the fact of being a stable coin. And we have Lido, which is the liquid staking service. Like for instance, we have proof of stake and proof of work. So for those blockchain that uses proof of stake, Lido serves as a liquid staking solution for users who want to stake their ETH and still utilize it. They also it's not just for ETH alone, because Lido also have staking service for Solana as well. So this is Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange where you can swap DeFi protocols, like swap from one token to another in a decentralized manner without using centralized exchanges like Binance or Coinbase. So this is Chainlink. Chainlink is an Oracle service that offer like real life price feed for Defi protocols. So these are some of the major ones. This one is Luna. This is one that almost went to zero. So now what I want to talk about now is I want to give you guys like solutions, like for me now, how I find my own DeFi gems. You get how to go for blue chips protocol in the DeFi space. Now this I'll be listing some tools I personally use to do my own research, and I will drop the link in the description below. This is Uniwhale. I use this website to track activities across different layer ones. That's the major utility of the Uniwhale. Why we have doing analytics. This is it has various like it's doing allows you visualize different metrics into easy to understand charts. You get it's different metrics like not just the price, the market cap, the volume, a lot of other different metrics to allow you to put it into a charts metrics whereby you'll be able to easily understand the whole thing. Why this is Crypto Panic. This is where I get most of my like latest crypto news from before it's city, which is crypto Twitter. This is where you get all what's going on within the crypto space on first-hand information. Why this is some sentiment. This is what the beauty of this sentiment. It gives you like it tells you like most. Aside from just the charts, it allows you to combine price with other behaviors. You can see price plus development activities plus social trend, and to know if there's development on a certain chain. You see everything on this particular place. So why this is Nansen? This one you can use it to follow smart money to know what they are buying. And like when they are even selling, that's the major function of Nansen. It's a very smart tool to use too. Why this is Crypto Messari. To me, I see Messari as an like a Swiss Army knife where you can still find price charts, research and reports, community screeners. You find everything on Messari as well. So it's a very useful tool also. Why this is token time? I would have loved us to like take some time to deep dive into each and every one of these tools I'm mentioning, because I would like to show you guys how I actually use them. Aside from just telling you about them, I'll show you how I actually use them to filter the noise and look for real gem in the DeFi space precisely. Why this is token terminal? This is very important tool among the O2. This one you can easily to see revenue. Like for instance, now let me just, if you see Ethereum now, you see Ethereum has a revenue of 8.6 billion. You see Compound 51 million. You will see all their revenues, so you will know which token it's actually generating fees rather than just diluting the holders. You'll be able to tell the difference, you get, so that way you won't get stopped. So why this is DeFi Llama? This is a very important tool also. It shows you the TVL of every DeFi protocols. Like for instance, now this is Maker sitting on number 1 with a TVL of 7.6 billion. You get, this is Lido with a TVL of 5.9 billion. You get, so the beauty of DeFi Llama is that you can just go there and you see all these new projects. Like when you start noticing, if for any project now that want to have this kind of growth, you start noticing a change in the TVL from DeFi Llama before people, all these YouTuber or crypto influencers or on Twitter start talking about it. You find them here. You find the gems at early stages here from the TVL. Then when you see, for instance, now if you see any gem here now, then you can now go to token terminal to really deep dive into that particular project to know if the project is generating revenue or just to get more concrete information about that particular project. Then you can now go to this Sandbase, which is sentiment, to see more details. Like for instance, now to see the development on the particular project and to find more concrete informations. Why, last but not the least, DS Screeners, which is this one here. DS Screener is mostly to set alert and to get live on-chain data on a particular protocol. You get, so that's that for that. What's going to happen is I'm going to do a deep dive into every one of these protocol I just mentioned. So this is just the stuff of the course itself. So I will do a part 2, which we elaborate and do let me see. I'll show you guys how to provide liquidity on Uniswap and on other decentralized exchange, and how to utilize these DeFi protocols. For instance, now how to collateralize your ETH to collect any other thing. For instance, if I want to do it on Maker, how to collateralize your ETH to collect DAI, which is a stable coin there. I will show you guys and throw more light on this. So I just want you guys to have an idea of what DeFi is, because this particular course is for beginners, to let you know what DeFi is and how to make research in the DeFi space. So if you know you like what you just watched, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also the like button for more content like this. Thank you.